Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. PM Shehbaz Sharif plans to encourage private sector investment in shipping. European Union agrees 18th sanctions package against Russia. Europeans warn Iran of UN sanctions unless concrete progress on nuclear talks. Police received details of actress Humaira Asghar's bank account. Haris Rauf fully fit also started bowling. Let's look into details. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif on Friday directed the relevant authorities to formulate a comprehensive plan to encourage private sector investment in Pakistan's shipping sector. Chairing a meeting regarding reforms in the shipping sector, here the Prime Minister stressed that steps should be taken to establish the National Shipping Corporation on corporate lines. He emphasized that the Pakistan-Afghanistan-Uzbekistan railway line was set to usher in a new era of trade in the region as trade goods from Central Asia will be transported worldwide through Pakistani ports. The European Union reached an agreement on an 18th sanction package against Russia over its war in Ukraine, with a raft of measures aimed at dealing further blows to Russia's oil and energy industry. Its latest sanctions package on Russia will lower the G7's price cap for crude oil to $47.6 per barrel. France, Britain, and Germany told Iran on Thursday that they wanted Tehran to resume diplomacy immediately over its nuclear program and warned if there were no concrete steps by the end of the summer, they would restore UN sanctions. The foreign minister of the so-called E3, along with the European Union's foreign policy chief, held their first call with Iran's foreign minister Abbas since Israel and the United States carried out their strikes in mid-June on Iran's nuclear program. Police received details of actress Humaira Asghar's bank account. A significant development has come to light in the investigation into the death of actress Humaira Asghar. The police have received details of Humaira Asghar's bank account. Humaira Asghar's bank account, according to investigation sources, there is more than rupees 398,000 in Humaira Asghar's bank account. The actress used to withdraw rupees 25,000 and rupees 50,000 from ATMs, and the aspects of not finding cash and jewelry has been made part of the investigation. Pakistan cricket team fast bowler Haris Rauf has become fully fit and has also started bowling. Haris Rauf suffered a hamstring injury in the US Major League Cricket, due to which he couldn't play any more league matches. However, now Haris Rauf has become fully fit. He started training after 10 days of complete rest and has also started bowling. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to watch our channel DTVNN and Desi Urdu TV.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130 plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.